Okay, class. Hello, everyone. Today, in reference to our art integrated learning, we are also going to take up another session here where you are going to focus on respiratory system. Now, dear students, you know a lot of organs are involved here in this respiratory system where a breathing mechanism is going on. Then the oxygen is being provided to the blood through alveoli. So it is just a simple representation of things that are present around you, so that you can relate it with your imagination of how this particular system would be working. So in this regard, I have taken, again I'll emphasize, we prefer not to waste anything. The project and the display should be a zero cost one. So in this regard, we have taken today a pair of lettuce leaves. It has been lettuce leaves because I think cabbage leaf was also there, and it was rather more better. I was trying to get this cabbage leaf because it is a more prominent one. It is very simple. Once you are peeling it off, you get this venation, and this venation simply defines the bronchi and the bronchial system. But in lettuce, the bronchioles were much fine, and it was getting finer and finer, so it was a better option than this cabbage leaf. But you can use this also because this is how the lungs are basically lobed. The lobes are there, the three lobes and the two lobe system is there. So it was a very good example, but I have taken just to display the lettuce leaves. The lettuce leaves will be taken as lungs. As you can see, the left and the right lung. So this is the left side, this is the right side. And very important, I have taken the rubber bands. Rubber bands to show you the C-shaped cartilaginous rings. Then this is a garlic stem. We have chopped down the garlic from the top portion. This white portion will be acting as a larynx. So now how this is my inhaler, right? So this is a very great way to explain your pharynx portion. And this particular tube is it was holding up a pen nib. So I tried to use it because it is a flapped one. So it will act as an epiglottis, right? See carefully, epiglottis, then this section, then comes the larynx portion, the voice box, then the tracheal rings, the cartilaginous rings. This is the trachea portion. Now the trachea is getting divided into two sections, that is the bronchi, right? So these two leaves will be acting as a bronchi, where the lungs, they will be entering down the lungs. These bronchi will be finely divided into bronchioles, and the last section where the exchange of gases will take place. And I have taken what? These are small beads which are acting as a alveoli, the bulb-like structure, which is balloon-like structure, which is present at the end. Now you can use the elastic band to show the diaphragm also. It is just a wristband I have taken, which will act as a diaphragm, on which the inhalation and exhalation, during inhalation and exhalation, this band goes down and up. And this is how we can use the art integrated learning while we are using the things present at our home. So what we have taken? We have taken the garlic stem, the plastic cap, the rubber bands, the beads, and the lettuce leaves. So this is a very simple respiratory system in art integrated learning.